is our final lick. First part is exactly the same as lick 2. We do that rake again on the 5th fret, bottom 3 strings, G, B and E. Okay, so we do exactly the same thing, but then we move up. We go to the 4th fret on the G string. We go to the 5th fret D string and we do that, hit that twice. With the ring finger on the A we slide into the 7th fret. And here we play an E7. So C, put the pinky on the 3rd fret G string. That's now C7. Move everything down to the 5th fret. And it becomes an E7. So that's what we hit. And then we can start it again.